Colonel Gaddafi has been killed.
Who?
Gaddafi.
Oh, him. When?
Today in Libya, he got killed by his own troops. I cannot believe that.
Okay, now Libya is free. Free at last.
People hated him anyway.
I know. He was a total dick.
Your mom is a dick. He was my unbiological cousin. Don't cuss him or I will rape your sister. What has he ever done to you, bitch?
Shade. You mom's a dick. I fucked her last night, but I never used a condom. I am Obama and I can make a change. I will go to Libya and rule their world. Ha ha ha.